Registered apprenticeship is an education and employment opportunity available in all 50 states. It combines employment, on-the-job learning overseen by a mentor, and related technical instruction provided by educational partners, online instruction, or apprenticeship training centers. It's part of career pathways development for job seekers, employers, educators, and students. A career pathway is education and training aligned with the skill needs of employers. It's for all learners and leads to industry-recognized credentials and degrees. A career pathway can strengthen and improve the transition from high school to college, technical school, or the military. Through Kansas Career Clusters and the Registered Apprenticeship System, students have more opportunities to choose the pathway that leads directly to success while employed. Employers can fold their existing training program into a registered apprenticeship and identify both the related technical instruction, or RTI, and their training provider. These can be partnered with courses offered at community or technical colleges, and as full-time employees, apprentice coursework supports their on-the-job learning. Using Kansas Works to locate employers, you must find a participating RA program sponsor and meet their apprentice program qualifications. If you're still in high school, it could be that School to Registered Apprenticeship is a good fit for you. School to Registered Apprenticeship, or STRA programs, are formal registered apprenticeship programs that allow motivated students to begin their chosen career training while in high school. STRA students are part-time employees and full-time students receiving on-the-job learning in their employer's RA program. STRA connects high school students in career and technical education, or CTE programs, with RA employers. These employers are often members of the high school's CTE advisory committee. The CTE teacher is responsible for recruitment and coordination between the student apprentice and their employer. The RA program sponsor, or employer, is responsible for the on-the-job learning. There are 5 STRA training components, and these include employability training, designed to improve generic workplace and employability skills. Students may earn portable industry certifications. Technical training, an introduction to the core knowledge and skills associated with the occupation. It must align with the apprenticeship's required RTI, and students may earn basic industry-recognized certifications. Workplace learning, specific training for an occupation with paid part-time work and on-the-job learning with a registered program sponsor. It should be an overview of the work process for the RA program. Registered Apprenticeship System training is designed to position the use of registered apprenticeship as a first-choice career training and education option. Safety training reinforces the importance of safety training in all registered apprenticeship programs.
The industry changes quickly. The workforce is changing dramatically. Crossland's a large commercial contractor. A lot of the school programs are residential, which is all right because a lot of the skills, those base skills, they fit the whole construction industry. It wouldn't matter if you were building a bridge or framing a wall, plumb level square, reading a tape measure, being great with safety, understanding fall protection, ladder safety, all that's all important. And that's when we got looking at apprenticeship programs, because we thought there's an apprenticeship component out there, our certifying components out there. We're trying to get the schools to do the same thing that will feed into the industry. I think a lot of companies are wondering, where's that skilled workforce going to come from? We have students that go through high school, go through technical schools, and then we're starting at the bottom with them. It just doesn't make any sense. And some of them have great skills, some of them don't. Nothing's documented, nothing ties it all together. And that's where the credentialing and we can tie it to apprenticeship. I think that'll be the beauty of it. That credential that we have, we use the NCCR curriculum to develop our apprenticeship standards. Well, so if a student gets that same credential in high school, they can use that toward our registered apprenticeship program. So literally a student can come out of high school and have one whole year of technical training complete. It's good for them. They have the credential. They're in a registered program. It's good for their career. It's good for the company. We don't have to redo training that they already or may not have had, but they spent time getting that training. It just wasn't documented. So it's kind of the big thrust of what we're doing.
Opportunities exist for apprenticeship between high school and post-secondary education. These are called pre-apprenticeship programs, and they're a great way to start exploring occupations in a given career pathway. They provide an overview of occupations and skills required for on-the-job learning and RTI. They also offer career entry advice and emphasize the importance of succeeding in school and in the workforce. Pre-apprenticeship combines academic and technical training, work readiness, and supportive services. Pre-apprenticeship training needs are very similar to the ones for STRA. However, it provides an introduction to a wide range of apprenticeable occupations within an industry. The components include employability training, technical training, workplace sampling, RA system training, and safety training. The training provider designs the pre-apprenticeship program that enhances personal strengths and accommodates the diverse needs of participants. The training provider is responsible for the recruitment and oversight of the participants and must complete pre-apprenticeship certification from the Kansas Apprenticeship Council.
A lot of people that are in construction are tactile or hands-on people, so they learn by doing. But as far as that, the knowledge base and that technical training, any of that could be done in school, and they're in school anyway. And we have the cluster program. We have the career clusters. We have these things all lined out. What we're missing are those quality pieces that have credentials and tag in and articulate directly to these companies that care about their people and train them. And that's the piece that we need to fill in. And that's where I see apprenticeship, credentialing, the school systems, the post-secondary systems. If it all tied together, the craft person wins, and the company wins, country wins. We have to be competitive.
Motivated individuals think about their futures. Career pathways, STRA, and pre-apprenticeship can be a part of that plan. Build your pathway with registered apprenticeship, just one of the many ways Kansas works.